Am I the only one that feels like vegans and vegetarians are like shoved to the side? I think that changes right now. So the ingredients are as follows: roasted peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, Kalamata olives, artichokes, English peas, young or new asparagus, which are very tender, and some dill. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna use, let's just go 3/4 of this because I have a little surprise where this is concerned. Let's go all the olives. Let's go all the olives. A little of the juice. All the artichokes. All the peas. All the asparagus. And I'm just gonna put some of the dill to keep everything nice, light, herby. And these two components I'm going to save for something very interesting, and I want you guys to see that. So I'm just gonna mix this nice and light, not to beat anything up. And I can already see that this is rather colorful, which is the goal. And people eat with their eyes, and we have to learn how to entertain these individuals with food and in thought. I'm gonna dress this with a little vinaigrette. Keep the acid in there. And a fresh squeeze, not a lot, just a small amount of fresh squeezed lemon juice, just so everything is nice and vibrant. Now this is going to rest in the fridge, and then we're going to go on and make our hummus. I don't have a large enough RoboCoupe as yet, which is this little mixer thing, but I'm sure it will get the job done for me. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start loading this with our northern beans and blending them until they become a paste. So as you can see, I just have a small amount left to blend. It's not enough to become homogeneous. All you have to do in that case is add a little more of the paste that you already made so that everything blends together. And then I'm going to add a little miso. It's very strong, so you only need like a small amount of miso to this. Go ahead and hit it with a little lemon juice, a small amount of lemon juice. And we should be good to go. I just want to get a taste of this flavor profile, and we can go ahead and make our adjustments. Now, first things first, it's going with some pepper, nice fresh crushed pepper, a little coriander, small amount, smoked paprika, and now salt. Fold this in. Let's see if we need to make any adjustments based on taste. Definitely needs more salt, more coriander, more pepper. I can feel it coming through now. It just needs more help. The thing that you'll understand when you work a lot with beans and any bean puree is that it needs a lot of help, and you have to provide that help. without any salt, without any acid. It's very dead. It's not fragrant. It needs all the help that it can get. There we are. That's what I'm talking about. Now, this is where the magic comes in that I was talking about. I get super excited when I have these random ideas, and sometimes they're dumb, sometimes I have to question myself, and this is one of them. Is this going to be a hit or is this going to be a miss? I saved these so I can fold these inside, and even the dill. I'm gonna put some more dill inside. Even though the dill isn't chopped, it's just picked, and I just want to pick it, rub it, massage it, release the oils, so I can have the aroma of the dill and I can taste the dill. As I said, this needs to be astonishing as it looks and better tasting than you would expect. My excitement developed into the plating style. Now, I would love to see this on a plate, maybe just with the hummus mix and the veggies, but I just don't think that's enough. I want to put this on a toasted rye, which had seeds. I'm going to just toast this with olive oil, and I'm going to fill this piping bag with this mixture and present it in a way that is quite exotic. Thank you guys for watching through the video. This is super flavorful, very interesting, and quite colorful, if I do say so myself. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. This is just phenomenal. This is a phenomenal literal work of art, and the fact that it's real, it's flavorful, sorry, and you can do this in the comfort of your own home, it says quite a lot. From me to you, thank you guys very much.